Hi, I'm Susan Thomas. I am the Membership and Special Events Person at the Frost Art Museum, and I want to talk a little bit about the flags that you're seeing on campus this week. It is part of a large-scale site-specific installation all around the university campus, designed to really reach out to our students and our faculty and show everyone on campus this week that there's something special going on with the grand opening of the Frost Art Museum this week. We wanted to create a series of literal and conceptual pathways to the Frost Art Museum by placing a series of colored flags leading from each building on campus to the Frost. We are not only subtly making people aware that there's something special happening, but also causing them to think about how art relates to each discipline that they study on campus. So we've been working at the Frost Art Museum with the Fine Arts Student Organization to hand dye every single one of these flags. There are 1,000 of them around the campus, and then certain flags have been hand printed with student artwork. Some of the artists are Hans Rausch, Kim Yantis, Chris Rodriguez, Danny Ortiz, have all created art specially for this project that deals with FIU in some sort of way, some more literally than others. And those designs look fantastic, and you'll find them interspersed in the Avenue of the Arts closer to the museum.